What'd you do here, Dan?
We have some roasted butternut squash. I put a little spray of olive oil on them. You can see the moisture in this plant. And then a little garlic, salt and pepper. And then I put a little basil on them to give them a little sweetness.
Oh, nice. And then what is that, parchment paper?
Parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to anything.
And then you're roasting these at what, like
I'm roasting
350?
at, yeah, about 375.
Okay, nice. Awesome. What else do you have going here? Oh, got some cauliflower?
Some cauliflower. And I put some fresh turmeric in with it.
Wait, it looks like you had formerly had carrots in there or something?
No, that's the fresh turmeric.
Oh, you have, oh, it's fresh turmeric.
That's all I had. We didn't have any
Is
here.
that this?
Yes.
I thought this was garlic.
No, look how it's, look at the other side. No, you thought that was ginger.
I mean ginger, what am I saying?
But look at the little cut piece. You can see how.
Oh, that's fresh turmeric.
That's it right there.
Oh, awesome.
And so that's the little piece. I just shaved it with the peeler.
Okay.
And turned the color of the water a little yellow, which made these cauliflower come out a nice bright yellow.
So you steam these, but why are you putting the turmeric on?
To give it that color. So
But I thought, because I know sometimes you put it on the cruciferous vegetables because of the enzyme.
no, that's mustard seed powder.
Then I'm mixing it up, the mustard seed powder. But look
The mustard
at that.
seed powder gives back the enzyme
So this is just for the-
marinase.
Okay, so the turmeric, that's what-
myrinase.
Oh, okay, all right.
It gives back the enzyme myrinase, and then
Okay.
that gives you the sulforaphane. And we'll put mustard seed
Dan,
powder
not
on
around
this
the
later.
kids, please, not around the kids. But what I'm saying is that the turmeric, that's what you also put on your brown rice to
Brown
get
rice,
some
yes.
flavor as well.
I usually have ground, but there was no ground turmeric here, so I used the fresh.
Well, that's even better.